Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Daisy. So in this video, I will teach you how could we say furniture and the householding items in Mandarin Chinese, and also I will show you my room and teach you one item by one item. You didn't listen wrong, I mean my room. So did you feel a little bit spoiled? Yeah, keep that feeling. That is what I want you to feel. Okay, so now let us start it.
For living room, we call it 客厅. For the curtain, we call it 窗帘. For the TV, we call it 电视.
Diàn means electricity. So in Mandarin, if anything that need to use the electricity, the word will always start with diàn. Like 电话 means mobile phone. 电脑 means computer.
TV unit 电视柜.
电视 means TV. 柜 means cabinet. So 电视柜 put together means TV unit.
For speaker, we call it 音响.
Like 音 means sound, 响 means loud, so put together means speaker. Yeah, you can find out, right? So actually our language are quite logical, right?
For the lamp, we call it 台灯. For the coffee table, we call it 茶几.
You guys drink coffee, so you guys call it coffee table, and we drink tea in China. So 茶 means tea, so basically that table just named by the function.
For flowers, we call it 花.
Hold on, what? You want to know the name of those flowers? How greedy you are! But honestly, I even don't know the name in Mandarin. So, but it's okay, let me figure it out and then back to you.
For the vase, we call it 花瓶.
Hua means flower, píng means bottle, so put together, 花瓶 means vase.
For the candles, we call it 蜡烛. For the sofa, we call it 沙发.
Shafa, that sounds similar with sofa, right? But actually in Mandarin, lots of the word pronunciation really similar with English, like 咖啡means coffee, like 沙拉 that means salad, like 巧克力 that means chocolate. Oh, sorry for my finger. I just count number 1, 2, 3. I didn't mean anything, okay? Sorry, I will put it back.
For the cushion, we call it 抱枕.
抱 means hug, 枕 means pillow. Basically, we will always like hug those pillows, right? That's the reason why hug pillow put together, 抱枕.
Oh, there is a lollipop.
What?
For lollipop in Mandarin, we call it 棒棒糖. For the blanket, we call it 毯子.
By the way, don't buy this one. This one maybe look nice, but the little white ooze will everywhere. I even find it on my breakfast and coffee, so give it up, don't buy it.
For the carpet, we call it 地毯.
地 means ground. 毯 means blanket. So 地毯 means carpet, kind of the blanket on the ground. I know my one is really dirty, right? I promise you, I'm gonna clean it soon.
You see, there is an armchair. Do you know how could we call armchair in Mandarin?
You may think we have a special name for that one, right? But we don't have it. We just call it small sofa, 小沙发. Or if you want it in the really specific, you can call it 单人沙发. That means single person sofa. Sounds really mean, right? But that's just how it works.
For the dining room, we call it 餐厅, 餐厅. For the dining table, we call it 餐桌, 餐桌.
餐 means meal, 桌 means table, so the table for the meal, that is dining table. And also for the 3 meals in a day, 早餐, 早 means early morning, so 早餐 means breakfast. 午餐, 午 means noon, 餐 means meal, so 午餐 noon meal, lunch. 晚餐, 晚 evening, 餐 meal put together means dinner.
Chair, 椅子. For the plate, we call it 盘子. For the bowl, we call it 碗, 碗. For the forks, we call it 叉子, 叉子. For the knife, we call it 刀子, 刀子. For the spoon, we call it 勺子, 勺子.
Now, I believe you know how could we say all the items in living room and dining room, and also you must learn some little culture things. So, if you want to know how to say the items in bathroom, kitchen or bedroom, just leave a comment. I will record it as a video. And also really thanks for you watch my video today. Thank you so much. If you like my video, please give me a like or subscribe to my channel, please. And I'm Daisy. I'm here to help you learning Mandarin, and I will see you every week. Bye bye. 再见.